Good job, Shay. Can you throw the ball? Can you throw it? Uh-oh. Mommy's making Daddy wet.
What is she doing? Now this is the back.
Do you want a little something to drink? Don't throw it, okay? Just drink it. Shay, you little turd, I just told you not to do that.
What are you doing?
No! Don't do that!
Don't know, Richard. What's wrong? Let's do that. Yeti, we have to go back. Robot. Now you prepare. Hold on. Whoa, where? To turn back. See, a bat over. What did you get?
Go get the ball. There's another ball over there.
Basketball. A basketball. A basketball. We have